Hello everyone, today we got the Samsung A15. This device is not charging fast and the customer reported to solve this problem. So let's open the device from the pack. The pack is made from plastic, so you have to be careful not to put too much silices into that plastic. It could be melt. Alright, you can just go over 180 Celsius, that's it. No more, no less. Or you can go less. Alright, heat all over the frame and then start using the suction cup to pull an area so we can put something inside and then we can swipe and remove the pack. Alright, some of alcohol will make the operation is easy, so you can put something inside and then we can bring these slides or cards or plastic pieces. These comes from the glasses from the iPhone, screen protection, so I keep them to use it for these solution. Alright, some of alcohol will do the job and make the job easier. You can see at the bottom the color is separated from the pack. Alright, it was like that before and it could be go more. It could be get more white separated. So you may tell your customer about that. Alright, we have fingerprint flex cable. Start by removing it. The screen is not damaged. It's the screen protection is damaged, that's it. Alright, remove all the screws. This is the first time I open the A15 and this is the first attempt to solve this issue. Remove all screws. Alright. This device is not easy to be opened. It was easy for the previous models, the A14, the 13, the 12, the 11. The plastic can be removed easy because it's not put it with the adhesive. Don't forget to unplug that connector of the fingerprint flex cable. This is very important. Alright, 1, 2, 3 screw left. Alright. Now the SIM card tray should be removed. Otherwise we can't remove the back from the housing. This is very important to be removed first or second. Now let's see how we detach the frame from the housing. You can use any plastic or you can use your nails to detach the back from the housing. There is nothing stuck with it. You just need to swipe it all over. For now everything should be easy to do. Alright, keep removing the plastic. We have loudspeaker on it. Alright, now let's unplug the battery. Make sure the connector is connected. And then I'm going to try to see if the amps will go up. For now it's 0.7. It's charging but at 0.7 and this is not good. This device is not charging well. Alright, let's now remove the subboard and see what could causing this issue. The customer told me that never has been done to this device. Consider subscribing. And they didn't put it in water or drop it or everything. But I can imagine some force when they enter the charging, they broke something inside the charging port. I couldn't see it, but I'm removing it. Be careful when you remove the subboard because it has the screen connector. You may put some alcohol at it so it will be loose and you can remove it. The subboard looks cool. It's not dirty, it's not water damaged, nothing seems damaged that subboard. I removed the flex cable, connected the main to the subboard to make sure it's connected carefully again. I'm going now to clean the charging port with the alcohol to see if we can solve this problem without replacing the charging port. I found some dust inside it, so we may get lucky and get fix this device. But not always the cleaning the port solve the problem. Sometimes you need to replace it with a new one. Alright, I think it's good now. I'm going to put it and test. You may think the phone is charging well, but it's not charging well. It should start charging at 2.2, 2.5. This device is fast charging and it could go around 2.5 with the power supply. Alright, the phone still at 0.7. The problem is not solved. It's charging but not fast. They want it fast. When you see how much it will takes to fully charge, it said about 5 hours, approximately 5 hours, and this is too much. All right, the subboard out on the table, and let's start removing the old charging port to the new charging port. This is the micro soldering, the micro lenses. Alright, we always get new tools to support our soldering, to support our job, so we can do the job perfectly for every customer, so they can get out satisfied of the work we do to them. Not every workshop can do that, but we try our best. Recently, I bought the station of the separating of the iPhones layer, double layer. So we may in the future download or put uploading some videos. Alright, put some antique flux and clean all the soldering. You can see this white thing, no, not white, the yellow thing, it's the adhesive was left from the old subboard. So we have to clean it very carefully and very well so we can put the new one. I'm going to scratch it to remove it all. I'm not going to put anything. You can use the heating gun now at 2 degrees to remove these adhesive. No need to put more. And when I removing the charging port, I put it at 450 Celsius degree in order to remove that charging port. Alright, make sure the holes is cleaned, and then we make a fully clean, and then we put the new one. Alright, seems perfect. Where am I? What? Alright, this is the new charging port. It's shiny, it's shiny, not shiny. Alright, some empty flux, solder the pads. We need to solder the pads. I'm going to use something different, some different technique. Sometimes I use another thing. It's for what make the job easier or the fast job. We were having festivals, so I had to be in hurry to get the job done and end this video soon. Not in this video soon. The video has been editor now at 29 of the April 2025, but I recorded it about 2 weeks. Alright, put some flux and solder these pins. Now the pins is soldered, the pads is soldered, and then when we put the heating gun, you can go 400 3 Celsius, 30 Celsius, 430 Celsius. It will be enough because this solder is low temperature, so it could be melt at less degrees. Alright, now we put the charging port. You can see the solders, it's melted. Now push down. Alright, it's on place. Now we may flip it to solder the legs from the other side. Okay, seems not everything is connected straight, so I'm wanted to be very straight. Alright, good. Now let's solder that from the back. Make sure to clean after all. The cleaning is very necessary. We can't just make a mess and give it to the customer like this way. Alright, let's now check all the pads with the pins. If they connected, anything is moving. Alright, everything seems solid, but the last one to the right one seems moving. Seems, not sure, but seems. Or there was a gap under it, so I put some solder to make it very strong. And that's it. After that, I will start the cleaning, and then we will reassembling the device as it was. And that's it for today. Editing the videos is not easy. For me, it's hard. Doing the job, it's easy for me. Doing the job I do is easy for me, but editing these is not that simple. So you have to get all the shots, you have to cut some shots, you have to speak to everything, to explain anything in this video. And this is very important. You can't miss anything. And you have to repeat, cut, speed up, and doing everything. Now, make sure the screen connector is into that sub, and then I'm going to make the test now. Alright, as we did before, we put the charging, looking at the power station, see the amps, 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. Seems everything is good. Alright, with this we can just assemble the device back, and that's it. Don't forget that black screw into that gold hole. Alright, for today we have finished this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.